Oh my God, look at this magical paradise called BÖDA Sand. It looks absolutely spectacular. It is 25th of June, 5:30 p.m. on this wonderful Tuesday, and this is how the beach looks like. It was a bit crowded earlier today, but now due to the wind it's almost completely empty with only few people on the beach, and I'm one of them enjoying this natural beauty, BÖDA Sand. And this is the second episode for today, as I made an episode earlier today around 1 p.m. was it? Then I was chilling on the beach, enjoying sunbathing and swimming also in the sea as well. So now it's time for another episode on this wonderful day to show you how the beach looks like later in the afternoon. So this is actually where the camping is, BÖDA Sand, the most famous camping in Öland and probably in Sweden. And the beach is super huge. And there are more people actually towards the middle of the beach with the main entrance. But at this point where there are the water sports area, it's basically empty right now. So if you want to escape the crowds from the Mediterranean Sea, Sweden is your summer destination, folks. Yep, Sweden is going to be one of the best summer destinations in the future, I predict, because it is so nice and amazing. A bit more expensive though than the Mediterranean countries now that I can think of. But if you already live in Sweden, then it's the same like being in Stockholm. It's probably more cheaper here than in Stockholm, to be fair. But yes, so I'm on vacation and this is day 7 of my vacation. So I have only 4 days left. Time flies when you have fun. And today it's a more chill day for me. I have been chilling on the beach by the sand. Yesterday I did a lot of exploration and visited many beaches and many episodes. So yeah. What else? Yes. Right now it is 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the sea it's 19 degrees Celsius as I measured earlier today, which means that now we are ready to go in for a swim in this beautiful nature right here. So let's then get going and take a swim at BÖDA Sand, this magical beach in Sweden, one of the best, if not the best. I have seen so many beautiful beaches in Sweden and it is hard for me to decide on the best one. I really like Österlen, Sandhammaren, that's in Österlen. Also Untitled Sand in Halmstad, it's amazing. Skanör in Skåne, and this BÖDA in Åland. And also Gotland has many beautiful beaches. My favorite is Norsta Auren on the north part of the island. So many beautiful beaches. Even in Stockholm there are several beautiful beaches, including Erstaviksbadet and many more, as I have visited hundreds and hundreds of different beaches just in Stockholm. Yes, so now it's time finally to take a swim in this beautiful, beautiful paradise, BÖDA Sand. There is some seaweed today at the entrance, but after that it is pretty clear. I have been swimming earlier today. It's some really amazing indeed. So yes, day 7 of my vacation. Right now I'm in Öland, in BÖDA. The vacation started off at Kalmar for 3 days, then off to 1 day in Färjestaden in Öland on the same island. But it's a 2-hour bus ride from here because it's a very long island. It's not that wide, It's wide between 10 and 20 kilometers depending on where you are, but it's super long. I think it was 157 kilometers, if I'm not mistaken. And then obviously if you go by bus, you need to, there are stops on the way, so that's why it takes 2 hours. Yes, so the sun is up and I'm so blessed to be enjoying my vacation here in the sun. Spectacular island. So then find a better spot in Sweden in the Baltic Sea. So ready, set, go! It's amazing. It's so beautiful. Beautiful and magical indeed. Look at that. Look at that. Fantastic. BÖDA SAND, Öland, Sweden. This is. Alright, then that's a wrap from this magical place, BÖDA SAND in Öland, on this 25th of June 2024. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and make sure to tune in for more amazing beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!